Welcome back everyone. You might be in some weird situations with Move to iOS. Now, if you don't know what this is, basically it's an Android app that allows you and helps you out when you're trying to transfer over to moving to an iPhone, hence the name Move to iOS. Now there's tons of issues that could happen. I think some of the most common ones are usually like communication errors, those ones, or it not transferring all the data, or just not transferring at all or hanging in the middle or something like that. That's usually the things that happen. Now, I will tell you the easiest way to fix this and the most common problem that I've seen, especially in my case when I was transferring over data to begin with a long time ago, was that I was just disconnected from the Wi-Fi randomly between my phone or the other phone. And this can happen for a bunch of different reasons. The most common one is like a random reboot. When those things randomly happen, sometimes that will cause those communication errors and thus making move to iOS, just if it's in the middle of a move, it won't let you move fully. So make sure the phone doesn't reboot randomly in the middle of it, and make sure your phone and your iPhone and your Android are connected to the same Wi-Fi. That is also very important. As long as they're connected and next to each other, they should be able to transfer the data back and forth. Now, another thing, you want to make sure that your iPhone and Android are near each other. It's kind of like an old wives' tale that they can be like apart or something, but you want to make sure they're somewhat near each other so that way there's no reason that you're randomly touching things on the screen and then moving around and all this other stuff. As long as they're near each other and they're transferring data, then I would say just leave it for the most part. Now, another thing, if both phones are still not being able to transfer and there's a bunch of communication errors, I would recommend rebooting both phones. At this point, you just hold down the power button, or if you have an iPhone, just hold down the power button and another button, and then you should be able to go ahead and reboot the device. That usually, from what I've read online, a lot of people had a lot of success that way, which it sounds like too good to be true, but apparently that's the case. So rebooting the devices could also fix it. Another thing, even though Move to iOS I don't think has had an update in a long time, you might find yourself, still the app is giving you a tons of issues and everything. So I'd recommend deleting the app and reinstalling it. Sometimes, I think especially if you use this app too much, there can be a lot of cache built up in the background and everything. So deleting this app can also fix a lot of those issues, I'm sure. And really, those are the main ways to fix it. If that still doesn't fix it, you can always do a Google Drive backup and re-download your software and everything from your iPhone using the Google Drive app. That's also an alternative method. Also, you can do backups to your Windows or Mac machine and then transfer that data over to your iPhone. That's another way to do it. But ultimately, these are just a couple of ways to fix it. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.